My name is Kenni. I am a senior communication student with the University of Maryland College Park and the universities at Shady Grove. I am a full-time student. I'm a non-traditional student. I was born and raised in Jamaica and then migrated to the United States 6 years ago. When I think diversity, I think of making a soup. Now, to make a soup, you need multiple things. You need soup mix, you need chicken, you need veggies, and so on and so forth. And so all those different ingredients combined makes the soup well done. And so when I think diversity, I think the same thing. Having representatives from different groups, different cultures, different backgrounds, different viewpoints, different opinions coming together to form this body of individuals. That together, I think, is stronger.
Hi, my name is Tally Costa, and I'm currently a student of the COMM program at Shady Grove. For me, this is about my second year, and I'm currently a full-time student. So people with different opinions and ideas, with different backgrounds, and how they were raised really impacts our conversation. I wouldn't want to be in a place surrounded by like-minded individuals. Rather, I would love to have different opinions with some I may not agree with, but it'll still create this spectrum that I think is necessary for any school of thought. And I believe the COMM program is very diverse as well as inclusive because there's the different genders as well as different backgrounds.
My name is Emely. I am majoring in communication. I am a full-time student and a parent student. I was born in Washington, D.C., and my parents are from El Salvador. Inclusion to me means that despite our differences, we all feel a sense of belonging. It means that regardless of what we look like, sound like, believe in, we are all treated with the same respect and valued within our group or community.